Good morning everybody, welcome to another video. 6 o'clock in the AM. If you watch the videos you'll recognise the weir behind me. It's very close to home. Come out again just for a very quick session because it's supposed to start chucking it down with rain any minute and it's going to chuck down all day. So I've got up early, nipped out to try and winkle out a couple of chub off the top as we did in previous videos. I'm hopeful. I've chucked one bit of bread in and it's getting nibbled down there, but I've not seen it disappear yet. There's another spot down here where we may get a chub out. Unfortunately, I haven't got a lot of bread, so it's going to be quite good fun. I've bought another few bits and pieces I may be able to use if we run out of bread, but I've certainly not got enough bread to do much loose feeding or anything. So anyway, I think it's just spotting with rain now. I think we need to crack on, otherwise we're going to get a soaking. I'll just quickly run you through the gear, and I've literally just got a couple of bits with me. I've just got my bag with me with some bits and pieces in. My folded up net, as you can see, and I've got my new favourite little toy, which is my Daiwa Black Widow EXT. It's an extending rod. It's meant really for stalking carp. But it's got a lovely action, and as you can see, extends out to 9 foot. It's perfect for being under these trees here, where we're going to get down in a minute. Very simple setup. All I've got on the end of here is a size, I think it's an 8, maybe a 6 curved shank hook. If I can get it out, I will show you. It's got a curved shank hook on there, just slipped out of the Nash bread bomb that I've also got in there. I'll just show you. These Nash bread bombs just keep the bread on lovely. There we go, you can see that. It'll be better if I do that. There we go. Nash bread bomb. Right, as I said, enough waffle. Need to get home before we get soaked. So, let's get down here and have a crack. And hopefully we can get them taken just under these trees down here. With a bit of luck. Without too many freebies going in. Yeah, there you go. Fab. Right. I'm not going to mess about today, as I said. Hit and run session. We'll get a bit of bread on. Before this rain hits. It's supposed to be absolutely torrential today. Fingers crossed. Oh, hello. There we go. That didn't take long, did it? Blimey. Took that much higher up the run than I thought it was going to. I was expecting it to go down by that tree. Well, not a big one, but very welcome. Messed up netting him. There we go. Fab. Wonderful. What a cracking start. How's about that? Fantastic. Wonderful stuff. What a start. Right, we'll get him hooked to see if we can nick another one out. Well, there's nothing taken straight away down there. Not massively, surprisingly. Very often here, I found last year, it's one fish in and out, usually. But we took that one so close up the run, thought maybe we'd sneak another one out. I often get a chance over here as well, so we'll chuck a few baits in over here. See if we get a chance over there. I'm kind of surprised we've had any kind of reaction really, in a way, because The last couple of days it's been scorching hot. Yesterday it was 32 degrees. Today it's going to get to a maximum of 18 apparently. Yes. And it's not sort of particularly top water day, I wouldn't have thought. Red over there is getting a little bit of attention, but off lots of smaller fish. So that should possibly draw in the larger ones. Certainly going to be worth having a cast over there. Just wondering if we can get anything going over here first. Yeah, big fish just took that lump of flake now. Certainly seem to have upset these fish down here. I think it's such a tight area. There's such a small little community of chub down there. Getting one out often kills it off. They don't take much upsetting either. There's some scarper back under those snags you can see. Nah. Right, let's have a crack over here. Turn you around and we'll have a go on the other side. I think one of the jobs today in the rain will be to go and go and get some more bread from the supermarket. Right, gosh, a bit precarious. I'm getting a wet foot in a minute. Right, we're going to get it over into that slack out there you can see without the line all getting dragged away. Oh, we've got a bit of a wrap up. There we go. Right. Getting a bit of attention. It's gone. No. Certainly getting some swirls. Oh, yeah. Well, we didn't upset him, I don't think, so we've got another chance. It's definitely a big splosh at it. There we go. Oh, now we've messed it up. I pricked him. Oh dear. I think we've messed that up. I pricked that one then. Oh, maybe not. It's just taking another bit. Can't be that upset. There we go. I think it's very big. Oh, I don't know. No, there's no monster. Oh, rod in a tree. Yeah, tiddler. No wonder I'm pricking him. Ah. Right, I think before we have a look at him, I'm going to try and winkle another one out. So I reckon we've got a chance of getting another one out here. Just got him in the net down here. I think we've got another chance. They do seem to be coming up a lot, and I did just prick one. Ugh. So I think there's a few over there, and he's probably only about a pound, pound and a half, something like that. There you go. I thought we might get another one. I could see one coming out over there. Whee. Slightly better one, I think. They're all going off downstream. God, thank goodness for this short rod in it. That's a better one. Oh. Got him. Well, that's nice. And I still reckon we might get another one. Right, again, we'll have a look at him in a minute, I think. We'll see if we can get another one. I think they're stacked up in there today, I reckon. Although my bread is terrible. Yeah, I think we've done for that swim. It's got a few free offerings down under these trees again, just see if we can coax anything out before we call it a day. It's just starting to rain. No, certainly not interested under those trees. We'll have one more cast in the middle here. So I think that's probably our lot for this morning. In and out before we get wet. Definitely not complaining now. 3 fish. In less than an hour with some scabby old bread. Oh, there's a big swirl then. We missed it, but there was a big swirl. Definitely some interest over that far side. Just swirl with something else. Over there, that's it. I think maybe it's a pike chasing small fish, actually. Well, we had a chance. We messed it up. That's annoying. I don't know what the problem was there, whether he didn't have it in his mouth or what, but certainly had a chance. No, I think I'm going to call it a day at that. They're not having it anymore. I think all that splashing I saw earlier was a pike attacking all the small fish that were chewing my bait. So I think we're done. We'll just run a few bits of bread. Tatty bits I've got left, I'll run them through down here next to me, See if we get any reaction. It's been probably, I don't know, half an hour since we had that fish out from under these trees. We'll have a quick look. Oh, I can't imagine they've settled down that quickly. They're not daft, are they, Chub? No, there's nothing doing down there. Right, let's have a look at these fish. So here they are in order. That was the first one. Very lively. The second one, which has got a right belly on him, is not very big. Cracking condition though, beautiful colours. And the third one, which was definitely the biggest. There we go. Wonderful stuff. This one's lost the bottom of his tail to an otter. There's lots of otters around here. That's wonderful. A cracking morning. Fantastic. Right, let's get him back in the water. So that's it. Down here about an hour. 3 lovely chub. No monsters, but a great hour's sport this morning before the rain starts. As I say, it's just starting to spit with rain again now, so I'm going to get off home before I get a soak in. Now, I will be out again in the next few days. Perhaps do some trotting. I'm not sure exactly though. We'll have to see what all this rain does to the river, because everywhere's so dry. It may be that we have a day of rain and it doesn't even touch the rivers, or it may be that it runs straight off and gets in the river, in which case the river will come up. Should be quite good. But if it colours up too much, obviously no good for trotting, so we'll have to just suck it and see. But until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that half as much as I did. Tight lines, enjoy your own angling. Many thanks to the channel patrons for your fantastic support, and I'll see you all again very soon.